Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Taking a look at the NASDAQ today, I did a video yesterday and was talking about a potential for this to rally. So we had a move here to the upside. Now what's interesting today is that this is gapped down, and with this setup here with this equal lows and this move here into liquidity, we've had a bit of a rally, and now with this gap, does this trade back and fill this gap, looking for potential target up around here or even here? That's what I'm looking at. It's similar to yesterday pretty much. We've got, let me see, well, we'll just go out to the daily. In fact, let's have a quick look at the weekly. What have we got here? Just want to have a look left. Okay, so we're trading into a big level down here, similar to back over in 2020. Wick down, double bottom, big level of support through here, this range through here pretty much. And I mean, you can see how this traded through this level previously here. So it is a fairly big level. I'm thinking that this could hold up here for a bit, and we might see, I mean, look at this here, movement back up even into these levels, but possibly. So let's just have a look at the daily, see what we've got. Again, I think I mentioned yesterday, we've got this price gap through here. We haven't really filled it as yet. If we have a look at this candle here, we could mark up from the previous candle low to the candle on the right high, and just call that our gap. It's wicked up, touched here, and we've wicked up again to the same level, and again 3 times we've touched this level here. Let's just have a look at it on the 4 hour, get a bit closer to it. You see how we keep trading up around this level here, say the 12-1 handle, more or less, through here. All right, so we've gapped down. We have this, what looks like a potential reversal pattern. And I mean, I'm not considering a full trend reversal, but, you know, I am thinking the possibility that we pull a line through here. This is more or less what I had yesterday. We've got this diagonal through here. Okay, key levels horizontal, we've got this gap, and we've also got resistance up the top here. So this diagonal and horizontal, that's a key level. All right, so we could come back to retest that. It could go anywhere, to be honest, but the other thing I'm looking at is just above this gap here, we've got this range here that's of interest. So a couple of levels to keep an eye out for. Just call it support and resistance, SR, that'll do. And we've got this one, SR range, right? A gap, resistance above. All right, it's gapped down. I reckon it trades back, at least looking for this range here. Whether it happens today or tomorrow, I don't know. But at the moment, it's currently ranging sideways. I mean, the Forex and crypto market hinges on the stock markets, or hinges off the stock markets. Everything's fairly dependent on whether it's risk on or risk off. And at the moment, you know, getting a little bit of risk off with this movement back down into this level here. But yeah, I mean, the question is this a reversal pattern, given that we've had this double bottom, build up of liquidity under, market has tapped into that already. Big players get their fill. It trades up, taps into liquidity above here, back down. Where to from here? You know, I mean, it could spike down a little bit more, but yeah, I'm thinking we still get a bit of a movement back up to retest these levels up here. So I guess that's my take on the US 100. Bitcoin is fairly similar. It's more or less range bound. Just waiting to see where this trades pretty much. Okay, so at the moment, when you see this kind of thing going on here, like this consolidation, what's going on here is it's building liquidity above and below the range. It's continuing to build liquidity. Smart money needs liquidity to trade this. If they want to short it, they need that. So are they moving this up and down through here, this balance area, creating their liquidity pool? Let's just type that in here. I've got that. There it is. I'm interested in what's resting above more than anything, because I think a move back up in here before they dump this thing. If the stock markets are going to sell off, I mean, we're at a critical support level. It's ranging, it's building liquidity above and below. Another tap into this before it sells off, retesting these highs. That's my thought process with this at the moment. I won't be looking to trade this to the upside. If anything, I'll be looking to short it, but I'll be looking for an opportunity to get involved up around here. Guys, that's my take on the NASDAQ at the moment. And if you've enjoyed the video, make sure you click the link below. Go to my Discord group. It's completely free, and there's a lot more content in there that you might enjoy. Okay, with that, have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next one.